to the vlog. I have work today, so I need to check the time and see if I need to actually like go to work. But I have work, so I'm not going to finish till 5:30. Then we're going to start actually doing something. So yeah, basically it's basically hot water with this powder. I think it's magnesium citrate or something like that. Mixed into it to help me stay calm and relax. So that's what I'm drinking. But yeah, basically, going to be hopefully an interesting vlog. Yeah, basically, there's little T. A little T, something interesting to start a vlog, right, little T? Yep. Yep. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I think that's pretty much it. My back hurts. My back really hurts. My feet don't hurt that much yet, but my back really does hurt. But yeah, that's it. There's Sandy. I came in and all the cats suddenly put their head down from the loft when I started coming back. Probably Num Nums they want. Num Nums is food. And there is a Sandy. You on your time? Sandy! Oh. What's that? You staying or you going? You going. She's going. She's leaving. Don't you just hate it when there's a hole in your sock and your toe just pokes out of it? I do. That's exactly what I've got. A hole in me sock. My toe's just poking out. It's not nice. The hole wasn't that bad when I put my shoes on when I put them on this morning. I'm even having to wear odd socks. They are blue, but like different shades of blue. There's even a hole there. God, I'm hopeless. It's official. I'm hopeless. Right. Yeah. Good for me. I mean, sometimes you just eat a pot noodle, right? Yeah, I don't know what these are. The noodle things. But yeah, watching Miss Michaela G and boiling the thing, doing that thing, and still got back pain. Still not nice. So I think I'm gonna go and get in bed and sit there and pretty much stay there for the rest of the day. Gonna be honest. Video is exporting at 8:23 at night, and I haven't even done the thumbnail yet because the laptop overheated and kind of crashed and shut down, so I was giving it a lot of time because I didn't want to use it and break it, which would be a typical me. But there's Smokey's with me. Cat's probably desperate for food, but you know, just been chilling, so this vlog isn't very much. I thought I need to do something exciting. There's Sandy! Hey Sandy! You just made the vlog exciting, didn't you? Right, God knows what she's doing. Are we gonna do that again? What, you want me to do it again? Yeah. Excitement of the vlog, everyone. I think little T got scared when Sandy barked. Stood to attention. We stood to attention. You're stood to attention, aren't you? The video almost uploaded, and I am making myself tea because I feel like I should eat more than like a pot noodly thing before I go to bed. So I'm gonna do that, and I just feel like I'm gonna fall over now. You are an idiot, aren't you? It's just not gonna walk downstairs. Making myself food. What's this paper so crafty? Here is my food attempt. Just need to push it in the oven. Basically, my amazing cooking skills. It's in there. Now we just have to wait. We just have to wait, don't we, Sandy? I think that's closed. It's got a little T sat on the windowsill. Is that your spot now? Mine and Sandy down there. Just waiting for the food. We should have a jam session, shouldn't we, Sandy? Have a jam session! What a dinner. Chicken nuggets and sweet potato fries and leftovers from last night, which is basically what I'm going to eat. Sandy's barking. I'm guessing she wants to come in. Do you want to come in, Sandy? Sandy! Come on in then, Simba. In you come, quickly, before we lose people. Sandy? Tiger? Hello? No? No? No, that's it. All we up was... Mummy, Mummy came back, didn't she? What a face. What a face. Right, I'm gonna eat that basically, and Friday night dinner's on the TV, so I'm gonna sit in there and watch that basically. You good there, Sandy?
Yes,
She's got my little backpack.
Oh, happy birthday for tomorrow.
Oh yes, happy birthday. Oh, how did you know?
Johnny hasn't stopped talking about it all night. Have you, Johnny? No.
Well, do you like my hair?
It's very short.
Do you like it?
Yeah, no, it's
Good. Do you think it makes me look like a man? Of course.
I'm going to end this vlog here. It's almost 11 o'clock at night again, so I'm ending this vlog here. Sorry, pardon me. Yeah. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I keep burping. Right. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!